Hello, good day to all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's lesson, I am going to discuss one type of text that is called a narrative or story. What is narrative text? It is a story that tells a sequence of events, real or imagined, with characters, a setting, and a plot. Addition to that, a narrative text can be also an entertaining. They can be a fiction, meaning they did not really happen. They may be set in the past, present, or the future. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain, engage emotions, and convey a message or moral lesson. What are the different categories of narratives? So we have fantasy, horror, science fiction, graphic novels, comics. So fantasy features magical and supernatural elements that do not exist in the real world. Horror, it is a fictionalized story intended to disturb, frighten, or scare. The science fiction, it is a fictionalized story wherein the setting in the plot are centered around technology, time travel, outer space, or a scientific principle. And the graphic novels comics, it describes any book in a comic format that represents a novel in length and a narrative development. Other different categories of narratives, we have the romance fiction, fairy tales, folk tales or legends, crime, and thrillers or adventure. So what are the elements of a story or a narrative? So we have the characters, the setting, and plot. In a story, a character is a human, animal, creature, or an object. In order to execute the acts and deliver dialogues, authors use characters, pushing the story along a plot line. Setting refers to the time and place a story takes place. And the plot refers to the series of events that make up a story. So we are going to look at the different parts of a narrative. So a narrative usually has three parts. That is the plot, a beginning, a middle, and end. But they are not always the same length. In the beginning, we get the answers to the questions who refers to the characters, where and when refers to the setting. So the middle part is where a problem occurs or something happens to disrupt or confuse the situation or crisis and leads to a sequence of events that lead to a climax, a big event, like the final battle scene in a war or a movie. The end is where the problem is solved or the action comes to an end, as when someone wins the final battle in a war movie or a resolution. So here are some words that we are going to meet from the text that we are about to read. Hare means a large rabbit. Tortoise, a land animal like a turtle. Challenged, it means a dare to enter a contest. Finish line, it is the end point of a race. And chagrin means annoyance or anger. The title of the story that we are about to read is The Hare and the Tortoise. There was once a hare who was friends with a tortoise. One day, he challenged the tortoise to a race. seeing how slow the tortoise was going, the hare thought he would win this easily. So he took a nap while the tortoise kept on going. When the hare woke up, he saw that the tortoise was already at the finish line. Much to his chagrin, the tortoise won the race while the hare was busy sleeping. Now, let us see if you really understand the story. Let us answer the following questions. First, who are the characters in the story? Okay, very good. The characters are the hare and the tortoise. Second question, what event or character sets the action going or causes the problem? Okay, very good. The hare challenged the tortoise to a race. Third question, who won the race and how did he win it? Okay, very good. The tortoise won the race. And how did he win it? While the hare was overconfident and took a nap in the middle of the race, which allowed the tortoise to get past him.